Elections are essential to all democracies. They determine leaders, representation, and how to decide crucial issues. While huge resources are devoted to understanding and predicting elections, in the Brexit referendum, over 20% of voters made up their minds within a week of the vote. Our findings suggest that there is something very unique about the atmosphere of elections. In fact, elections tend to make a lasting impression on us the first time we get a chance to vote, or even as children, accompanying our parents to a polling station. One crucial area which has received little attention is how the organisation of the electoral process affects the experience of voters. This has led to a new concept called Electoral Ergonomics, crafted by Michael Bruter and I of the LSE Electoral Psychology Observatory, EPO. The Electoral Psychology Observatory is uniquely devoted to understanding what goes on in the minds of voters, how they experience emotions and choices that are affected by matters such as design of polling stations, of ballot papers, by whether they vote from home or from a polling station, on election day or in advance. The EPO team has found that when people visit a polling station as opposed to casting their vote remotely, they tend to feel happier, more excited and more positive about their electoral experience. They are also more likely to vote according to what they think is best for the country. Our interaction with a polling station and other citizens who turn out to vote affects the way we perceive our role as voters, a concept that the EPO team define as electoral identity. Similarly, the EPO team has shown that when people vote using an electronic machine, they think about their vote for about 20 seconds before casting it, but on an equivalent paper ballot, that thinking time increases to 30 seconds, and when they are asked to choose from pre-printed ballots featuring individual parties or candidates instead, that thinking time increases to a whole minute. Electoral ergonomics can also make us feel closer together, or on the contrary more hostile, disgruntled and critical. Our aim at EPO is not just to better understand elections, but to improve them and ensure that those who organise them put citizens at the heart of the process. This means increasing turnout, ensuring people aren't unfairly swayed, and that vulnerable categories of citizens, such as those with disabilities, get equivalent access to the electoral process. Ultimately, electoral psychology and electoral ergonomics will help make elections fairer and better for everyone.